Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, this is the offering number 2 of our Planters Peanut Vendors here by Sun Manufacturing. Again, we have 3 different units. 2 of them are one color and the third one is this color. So if you're looking for a nice cool bank, this is great. We're getting these priced for the holidays. So if you're thinking about diving in and become a collector, this is really something easy to start with. You may or may want to put peanuts in it, either way. But if you're into any kind of vintage vending or want to start, or just a fan of Planters Peanuts, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.